So hey, my name is Arham Jan.
Okay.
I'm from Kullu, a resident of Kullu, born and brought up in Kullu.
Okay.
I studied my journalism course from Chandigarh SD College,
Okay.
and after that, I did a fair share of corporate jobs as well.
Okay.
ठीक है, after then my दादाजी expired.
Okay.
फिर पापा ने मुझे वापस बुला लिया.
Uh-huh.
So currently handling family business as well as started a passion project of mine known as Food Talkies. ठीक है.
So this is not something which has to do something with your family. This is something. You
No,
started on
this is
your-
something that I started off my own.
Oh, amazing, amazing.
So I inaugurated it on I guess 1st of June
Okay. Like last year.
at last year. So 1st June 2024.
Okay.
Okay, but it has been a very long journey for me.
Okay, for sure, for sure. We're gonna talk more about that journey. So yeah, the first question from you from this segment is what inspired you to start this business, and was there a specific moment when you knew, yeah, yes, this is something I want to do, or was it more like a process?
See,
Like
there are two things that I follow while doing something. One, it must have a passion for me. Okay.
Definitely.
Second, it must generate some income for me. That was the only reason that I chose restaurants as a line, because I have a passion for food
Okay.
and a zeal to earn money. So when I joined my family business, I have a very good running family business.
What is your family? business
FMCG wholesale, jewelry wholesale.
about? Okay.
It's incepted since 1966. My दादाजी migrate हुए थे कुल्लू को.
Okay.
He's from Punjab.
Okay.
Then Himachal was also in Punjab. तो दादाजी
Yeah,
migrate
it was
हुए
like
थे.
once. Yeah.
हाँ, दादाजी migrate हुए थे कुल्लू में, घूमने आए थे. So there was a thing. उस time दादाजी सुनाते हैं कि the market over here in Kullu was very expensive. He was from Punjab. So there's a story that he used to tell me कि उनके laces टूट गए थे shoes के. तो he went to a shop to buy shoelaces.
Okay.
ठीक है. तो उन्होंने उनको बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्टली दिए थे. दादाजी सेड कि यार इतना महंगा तो ये नहीं है.
हाँ.
ठीक है. दादाजी also had a very financial sort of mindset.
Yeah, business mindset.
बिजनेस
yeah.
माइंडसेट बोलते हैं
हाँ,
जिसको हम लोग. तो फिर उसमें ऐसा हुआ कि दादाजी बोलते कि नहीं, आई स्टे इन कुल्लू, आई ओपन अप अ बिजनेस.
It's quite the journey, yeah, obviously.
इट्स क्वाइट अ जर्नी.
You started this business last year in June, right?
Yes.
So why the name Food Talkies?
आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर सम नेम्स ऑन गूगल.
Okay.
ठीक है. आई वेंट थ्रू मेनी नेम्स. मुझे 2-3 नाम शॉर्टलिस्ट किए थे. वन वाज गरम मसाला.
Okay.
ओके. अनदर आई रिमेंबर वाज रेडी वाला.
Okay.
Okay, and the third was Food Talkies. So I was inclined towards garam masala, but that name was already registered. मेरे को शुरू से था कि इसको एक बड़े लेवल पे करना है.
अच्छा.
गॉड साथ दे तो चेन बनाएंगे. पर रेडी वाला ना, that is does not have a classy ring
like
to
the
it.
tick for you,
Tick
yeah.
for you, classy ring to it. So मैंने नाम रखा Food Talkies, that a group of people they'll come enjoy food.
Yeah.
Food Talkies.
What's the idea behind this space? Like, because I see it's something like a restaurant with some food counters.
तो इस counters पे we run live kitchens.
अच्छा यार, yeah.
We run live kitchens on these counters seasonally. But अब इस month से from the first week of April, ये जितने counters है ये city के different corners में चले जाएंगे
अच्छा.
और वहाँ पे इनका sale off होगा और ये renovation के अंदर चला जाएगा.
Nice.
This will operate as a pure aesthetic cafe.
Nice one, nice. So you this is under renovation right now. You wanna
This
reclassify it
is-
as
yeah.
a cafe.
It will be reclassified as a cafe in about a month or so.
Okay, amazing. So about the food, like Kullu has a rich food culture. Obviously, I'm from Himachal as well. You've got a rich food culture as well. So are you bringing local Himachali flavors into your menu, or is it like more like fusion? You have got South Indian, Chinese. Like,
See, so I am located at a place in the highway जहाँ पे local food इतना ज़्यादा survive नहीं कर पाता. We sell local dishes.
Yeah.
But the thing is कि we are located at a place जहाँ पे मुझे plethora of dishes serve करनी पड़ती है. We're a multi-cuisine restaurant, Chinese, Italian,
Yeah,
continental.
Yeah.
Tandoor, you name it, we serve it. So my chef, he's from Malaysia.
Sorry, what?
My chef is from Malaysia,
Wow.
and he's a very, very great chef. And
I think that's the most important thing about running a food business.
Yes.
Your chef should be like
my
really
chef,
good.
the chef should be very great.
So what was the biggest challenge in setting up in this place? Was it the government permits? Was it the location,
No,
finding a good location?
It was tough.
How many people are working for you?
Currently 12, will be 18 in 4 days. I have some seasonal staff जो off season में चला जाता है, season में आ जाता है.
अच्छा.
ठीक है, I have permanent staff. Since the day of inception मेरा staff वही है. I don't like changing staff क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में पापा जी से भी यही सीखा, दादाजी से भी यही सीखा. जो हमारा रनिंग बिजनेस है तो उसका जो स्टाफ है, it's 54 years old.
Nice, 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 amazing. But how did you like find this location? Is this your like family land, or like
no,
did you buy this land?
the land is leased.
Okay, it's
Yeah,
leased, so.
it's leased. It's leased. I was looking for a land on the highway, which is near the city. I had some tick boxes. कि land should be on highway.
Yeah,
It should
yeah.
be near the city. ठीक है,
Yeah.
ताकि highway वाला crowd भी है और town crowd भी है मेरे पास.
We're talking about the crowd. Like, what's your primary crowd? Is it locals, tourists who are like traveling by the highway?
It's 50-50.
Because I think when I came in, you were telling me like locals ज़्यादा आते हैं, and
It's 50-50. Like locals ज़्यादा मैं इसलिए बोलता हूँ क्योंकि locals की deliveries बहुत आती है.
so like you got like a cloud kitchen, Swiggy,
Yeah,
Zomato. as
Swiggy,
well.
Zomato, delivery on call. तो मैं इसलिए locals को थोड़ा ज़्यादा तवज्जो देता हूँ because off season में locals ही survive करके देते हैं.
Definitely, yeah. So what's something about running a food business most people don't know?
People think that food businesses are very easy to run. It generates a lot of income. Yes, it generates a lot of income.
Because I've heard like the margin is really big.
yeah,
in,
it
like,
generates a lot of income,
Yeah.
but it's a headache.
Okay.
There are no fixed hours of work. Like I work 16 hours a day.
But I think that's there if you're doing any passion project of yours, if you're
Yes,
starting something.
it does.
If you-
But no, people think that it's very easy to run a restaurant. क्या है यार खाना ही तो बेचना है. ठीक है, I've heard my friends saying यार क्या है तुम्हें खाना ही तो बेचना होता है. But no, it's very hard.
Yeah, like running the business in itself is very tough. But starting a business is even tougher. Like, so how did you like start this business as of like funding? Did you like, was it like family funded? Did you look for investors, or how did you start this business?
See, the thing is that I asked my father to help.
Okay,
He punched in some money.
okay,
So after that एक छोटा सा सेटअप स्टार्ट किया था. अगर आप मेरा इनिशियल सेटअप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं था.
अच्छा.
तो जो इनकम यहाँ से जनरेट होती हुई वो मैंने यहीं पे इन्वेस्ट
अच्छा,
कर दी.
like you were
Reinvesting.
reinvesting
I'm
everything.
reinvesting all the income that I generate.
Okay, perfect. So if you weren't like doing this, what do you see yourself doing apart from this?
I'll be doing family
Family
business.
business.
We are the
Okay.
oldest retailers of Amul in north of India.
Oh, wow, it's amazing. So yeah, my last question for you is, where do you see Food Talk is in 5 years?
See, I have a thing, I have a zeal, I have a passion for food. So I see, I have a vision clear कि I want this to go big.
Yeah, for sure.
Firstly, I want it in Chandigarh. I studied in Chandigarh, and Chandigarh के लोग, they love food.
Yeah.
They love good food.
What's your like personally? What's your favorite cuisine?
Okay, I like continental dishes a lot.
Okay.
And I love to cook Chinese.
Okay.
I'm not an Indian person.
Oh,
I
you
can
don't
go
like-
days without roti
But I
chawal.
love Punjabi food. It's
I can go days without roti and chawal.
so sahi hai, yaar. I think it was quite insightful about how to set up a business. How is it for you to run a business over here? It was really nice having a conversation with you.
Thank you.
I
Thank
think
you
if you
for having
want
a
to sum it up,
conversation for me.
if you have something to say, yeah.
So Akshay here, we had a very great chat today, I guess. It was a very new experience for me as well.
For sure, yeah, sure.
And you being a very great host.
Thank you, man. Thank you. It was
So
amazing.
it was a very great
Thanks.
day for me.